Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Just enjoying a little fire for the first time and feels like a long time. But I want to do this little update and kind of keep you guys in the loop what's going on. The holidays are fast approaching, so what I think I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a little break from making any videos between well, today and probably not till after the New Year. So I've just been on a steady stream of just cranking them out for quite a while, so I haven't really had a break from just making videos. So I'll probably have these videos, let's see, I got the hammock video coming out tomorrow and Monday. Then I've got a video for Tuesday already. I haven't yet cooked cast iron Wednesday yet, but I'm going to do that tonight when I get home. So there's Wednesday's video. And then I'm not doing a tailgate Thursday because it's Thanksgiving, so you know, all things sacred. I actually shot my Fired Up Friday already. Today is Saturday. I just shot it, so it's done. Did the shout out video and everything. I might have a mail call coming this week. Hopefully this next week. So I can always throw that in and just edit last minute and get it up. So that's not a problem there. Yeah. So, and then I'll have all this whole trip. Although I had a bunch of stuff planned, but time got away from me, and I just kind of ran out of time. Maybe I might get out and do a couple things just to get them just to clear my head of what I'm going to be doing. Maybe Tuesday. Maybe I'll see. But I don't know what videos I'm going to be doing, if any, until after the New Year. I might still do the Fired Up Friday. I don't know yet. I may not do any cast iron cooking. I don't know yet. I might do it. I might change my mind and do it, but yeah, I've just been kind of it's been just chugging for months. You know, it's 6 videos a week, and it's kind of a lot. I really haven't had a break at all. It'd be nice to just be able to, you know, like next Saturday, it'd be nice to just stay home, relax, binge watch some stuff, you know, get some things done around the house that's been lacking. It's like I got a list of marked to-do lists that I haven't even gotten to or even attempted to try yet, because it's just been like I said, it's been just steady go. So I'm going to spend Thanksgiving with my family. At least that's the plan. I'm going to, yeah. I'm just not going to get out and shoot anything. If I do, I'll upload it on, if I do like a cast iron Wednesday, I'll still upload it on Wednesday. I might wait a week to do it, but I'm just not going to stress about YouTube probably till after New Year's, like I said, so. I really haven't had any kind of break at all. I mean, I only get 1 day off, so it's nice to just sit and relax, though. I guess I can show you my view. Now, this is what I'm sitting here looking at. Got a nice little campfire going. I'm about to jump up and get some hot chocolate on because it sounds really good. So, well, I'll probably end it there since I think I just hit 4 minutes. So, as always, I appreciate all you watching. I always thank you for checking out the video. I'm not giving up YouTube. I'm just taking a little break. I think I've earned it. So I'm gonna get some hot chocolate going and then wait for my fire to die down, get my lunch cooking, eat, and then go from there. So, alright, I might throw the camera on and just wish everyone like a merry this or happy that, or we'll see. I think I've got a giveaway idea too, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, peace.